Welcome students for our SSLC Mathematics English Medium Mathematics lessons. Today we will discuss about triangles. So what is a triangle? So already in your previous classes we have studied that a triangle is a closed figure which is having three sides. Now already we know that a triangle is a closed figure which is obtained by joining three non-collinear points. So in a triangle, the sides and angles are different. So based on their shapes, triangles are classified into three types. Based on angles, they are classified into three types. So all these concepts you might have studied in your previous classes. Now, in our 10th standard mathematics, we will discuss about some of the concepts of similar triangles. So what are similar triangles? So how these similar triangles are obtained? Now let us consider two triangles. So in these two triangles, see the shape of the two triangles are same. So already I said it is a triangle. So the shape of these two triangles are same. So in this triangle, in these two triangles, there is no similarity except the shape. Now the size of these two triangles would become different. I added one more triangle. So see in these three triangles, the shape is same, but the length of the sides are different. Two geometrical figures are said to be similar figures if they have same shape but not necessarily the same size. If you consider in this figure, so in this one, the shape is same but sides are different. In these three cases, the sides are different. Now let us move to the next figure. Let us take three figures. So in these three circles, let us consider the radius. So the radius of the three circles are different. Suppose let us consider this as 3, let us consider this as 4, let us consider this as 5 centimeter. So in these three circles, the radius are different, but the shapes are same. So these figures are said to be similar figures. Circles having different radius, they are said to be similar. So let us see in this square. So in this square, the sides of the squares are different. So in the first square, the sides of the first square, second square, and the third square sides are different. Now, what are similar polygons? So two polygons are said to be similar if they are having all the corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles are in same ratio. So let us consider the three figures. So in these figures, the corresponding sides are equal. So corresponding sides means, so what is the corresponding sides? So here this side is corresponding to this side, and this side is corresponding to this side, and this side is corresponds to the third side, this third side which corresponds to the third side, and the fourth side, this fourth side is corresponds to the fourth side of the next figure. Now let us consider in these two figures. See here, all the corresponding sides are equal. So sorry, all the corresponding angles are here, all the corresponding angles are equal. So here these are corresponding angles are equal. Here the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same ratio. So in this figure I said, the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in same ratio. So let us take two figures. In these two figures, the angles are equal. See here, the corresponding angles are equal. So these corresponding angles are equal. So the corresponding angles are equal. Here this one, this corresponding angle, this is the corresponding angle. Now for this angle, the corresponding angle is this one, and the corresponding angle for the fourth angle is this one. Now if you see, all corresponding angles are equal, all the corresponding sides are in same ratio. So this is the corresponding ratio of the first side. So these are the corresponding sides. What I marked is single mark is the corresponding side. Here I will draw one more mark. So this side is corresponds to this side. Like this, the third one and fourth one, all the four sides are corresponding to each other. Now what is similarity of triangles? Similarity of two triangles are said to be similar. So if their corresponding sides are equal, corresponding angles are equal, and the corresponding sides are in same ratio. So let us consider two figures. So if you see, in these two figures, in the triangle ABC and in the triangle DEF. So let us take these two figures. So in these two figures, observe these two are right angle triangles. So right angle triangle means triangles are having 90 degree. Now angle, so in this first figure and in the second figure, we have to compare the sides and we have to compare the angles. Now first let us compare the sides. The side of AB, so this one, the side of AB, so which corresponds to the side of D. So this is the corresponding symbol D, and the side of BC, which corresponds to side of EF, and the side of AC, so which corresponds to side of DF. Here this is 3, this is 6, and this is the ratio. See the ratio, this is 1:2. 3 cm, 6 cm means the ratio is 1:2. Here 4 cm and here 8 cm, so the ratio is 1:2. Similarly 5 cm and 10 cm, the ratio is 1:2. Now all the sides are corresponds to each other, and the angles, so the angle A which corresponds to angle D are equal. See here, angle A which corresponds to angle D which are equal. So the angle D and angle A and angle D are said to be corresponding angles, they are equal. Similarly, so the corresponding angle of B is E. So angle B is equal to angle E, which is equal to 90 degree. See here, the 90 degree. Angle B is equal to angle E. So here angle B is equal to angle E, which is equal to 90 degree. And angle C is equal to angle F. So angle C which corresponds to angle F. Then the two triangles are said to be similar to each other. So this is the concept of similarity of triangles. So in this concept of similarity of triangles, the two triangles are said to be similar if they are having the corresponding sides are proportional to each other and the corresponding angles are equal. So if corresponding sides are proportional or corresponding sides are in same ratio and the corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are said to be similar triangles.